Hello, my friends. Welcome to Practice English with Sarah. Today, we will talk about shadowing English with your daily routine. It looks simple, but it is very powerful. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use shadowing in your everyday life to improve your English and your fluency. Maybe you think this is too easy. Maybe you think this will not help. But I will show you how small steps every day can make a big change. So, let's begin with a picture in your mind. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You open your eyes. You look around your room. You can say, I am waking up. I am opening my eyes. I am stretching. You don't need to speak loudly. You can whisper. You can even just move your lips. But the important thing is, you are shadowing your actions with English. Now imagine you go to the bathroom. You brush your teeth. You look in the mirror and you say, I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am combing my hair. These sentences are simple, but they connect your actions with English words. Your body is doing and your mind is speaking. This is shadowing. Imagine you are making breakfast. You take a cup. You pour water, you make coffee or tea. You can say, I am pouring water. I am making coffee. I am eating bread. Have you ever tried this? Did you feel it was too easy? Let me tell you, this is exactly why it works. Because it's easy, you can repeat it many times. And every time you repeat, your brain learns a little more. When you shadow your own life, you practice English with no books, no teacher, no stress. You are simply living your day. And every small sentence is one more step in your fluency. Now, let's expand this idea. In the morning, you can shadow your routine. I am opening the window. I am looking outside. I am checking my phone. At work, you can shadow your tasks. I am writing an email. I am reading a message. I am answering a question. At school, you can do the same. I am taking notes. I am listening to the teacher. I am reading a book. At night, you can shadow again. I am cooking dinner. I am watching TV. I am calling my friend. I am going to bed. You see, shadowing is flexible. You can use it anywhere, anytime. You don't need special preparation. You only need your voice and your attention. Think about it like this. It is like exercising. If you go to the gym one time, you don't become strong. But if you go every day, little by little, your body becomes stronger. The same with English. If you shadow one time, nothing changes. But if you shadow every day, your mind becomes stronger. Let's imagine another situation. You are walking in the street. You can shadow. I am walking. I am crossing the street. I am waiting for the bus. You are sitting on the bus. You can shadow. I am sitting. I am looking out the window. I am listening to music. These sentences are small, but they keep your brain active. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you don't want people to hear you. That's okay. You can whisper. You can move your lips without sound. Even silent shadowing helps because your brain is still practicing in English. Now, let's practice together. I will say a sentence and you repeat after me. Ready? I am waking up. Repeat with me. I am brushing my teeth. Repeat with me. I am making coffee. Repeat with me. I am leaving home. Repeat with me. Good. Let's try some for the middle of the day. I am reading an email. Repeat with me. I am writing a note. Repeat with me. I am drinking water. Repeat with me. I am talking to my colleague. Repeat with me. Excellent. Now let's do some for the evening. I am cooking dinner. Repeat with me. I am watching TV. Repeat with me. I am calling my friend. Repeat with me. I am going to sleep. Repeat with me. Well done, my friends. These sentences are very small, but when you repeat them many times, they become automatic. Your brain starts to think in English without translation. This is the power of shadowing. Maybe in the beginning you feel tired, maybe you feel confused, but this is normal. This is part of the process. You are training your brain to think in English, and the more you shadow, the faster it becomes natural. It is not about being perfect. It is about being present. Every small step is a big victory. Every little sentence you say is like a brick. And step by step, brick by brick, you are building your fluency. So, let's review what we learned today. We learned how to use shadowing with your daily routine. We saw examples in the morning, during the day, and at night. We practiced repeating short sentences together, and we discovered that shadowing is simple but very powerful. Small practice every day creates big results. Now, I want you to imagine your day tomorrow. Think about the first thing you will do. Maybe you will wake up and say, I am opening my eyes. Then you continue. I am getting out of bed. Try to shadow your whole day. Even if you forget, come back and start again. This is how you create a habit. So remember, keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Fluency is not about one big step. It is about many small steps every single day. Thank you for listening to Practice English with me. I will see you in the next lesson.